Today, 35% of businesses use AI, and another 42% are researching the technology. It's past time to stop looking at AI and start looking at it. By 2030, artificial intelligence could add $16 trillion to the global GDP. Hello and welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'm going to give you 15 ways people use AI to make themselves rich. Let's now get going. Number 1. Trading and investment. In the third quarter of 2022, BlackRock oversaw an $8 trillion portfolio. Curio says that's 12 zeros and a big chunk of the world economy, making it the biggest asset manager in the world. The simple answer is Aladdin, a platform powered by AI that will be in charge of $21 trillion by 2020. Among the clients are Vanguard, Apple, Google, and Microsoft. Financial organizations and investors can benefit from AI's help in gaining insights from hitherto unexplored, intricate, and massive datasets. This site contains articles, news feeds, and books written from a variety of perspectives. Today you can manage properties accurately and in real time, make stock investments, and assess risk. Number 2. Artificial creativity. Do you think human creativity is irreplaceable? This image won a $300 prize in a Colorado art competition, and no one knew it was created by AI. AI's DALL-E is now available to the general public, and anyone can create art with just a few words and a small amount of money. Imagen, Google's counterpart, is said to be even more surprising than DALL-E, but it's not just about taking pictures. Models like the GPT-3 allow you to quickly create surreal moving art, fictional novels, and poetry. AI can make both pop and classical music, and it can also imagine what buildings and cities will look like in the future. Number 3. Text generation and manipulation. Some claim that AI has even passed the infamous Turing test. Google's Lambda has even convinced a former engineer that it is sentient. GPT-3 is trained to generate human-like text. GPT-3 turns a small amount of text into articles, news reports, tweets, and dialogues. There are plenty of other applications for these types of models, like language understanding, automatic summarization, and information extraction, word sense disambiguation, and machine translation. Meta has even put out a multilingual translation that they claim can translate 100 languages without using English, as most models do. The cool thing is, there are a lot of open source models that you can start with. Number 4. Recommendation systems. Many companies, including Google, Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, Tinder, and Spotify, use recommendation algorithms. In essence, they look at the crumbs you leave on their platform to learn more about you and give you a more personalized experience. Search results, products, music videos, and your next Tinder match are all included. They know you better than you know yourself, and this is how they keep you hooked. Number 5. Gaming. A video from OpenAI shows AIS competing at hide-and-seek. After tens of millions of plays, both teams were so smart that the researchers didn't even know their moves were possible. The entire gaming industry is utilizing AI to create amazing game experiences. Consider the games Grand Theft Auto 5, The Last of Us, and Dota 2. The non-playable characters are more human-like and smarter than ever before. They can catch your mistakes and adjust to the way you play. Thanks to artificial intelligence, the stories are more immersive and real than ever before. Number 6. Manufacturing. AI, according to Andrew Ng, co-founder of Google Brain and Coursera, will perform manufacturing quality control, shorten design time, and reduce material waste, improve production, reuse performance, perform predictive maintenance, and more. This is fantastic because downtime costs businesses hundreds of billions of dollars every year. It can assist businesses in designing better products, as demonstrated by General Motors and Autodesk, who used AI and 3D printing to create a seat bracket that is 40% lighter and 20% stronger. AI is reshaping the entire manufacturing process, and factories are already looking very different. Companies that do not begin using AI will fall behind quickly. Number 7. Healthcare. Around $13 billion has been invested in AI healthcare businesses since 2021. It offers great potential for more precise patient diagnoses and care. To diagnose and treat patients, you can feed AI with health data, including results from blood tests, x-rays, and genetic analysis. This is utilized in the difficult process of diagnosing and treating cancer. AI can also be used to find new drugs. For example, Adam Smart and the pharmaceutical company Sanofi recently agreed to a $20 million upfront payment and a potential $1 billion payout in a contract. AdamNet, Adam Wise's AI platform, will be used. Number 8. Conversational AIs. By 2030, the market for conversational AI is expected to reach $32.62 billion. Chatbots and virtual assistants like Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant, and Cortana could change many industries, including healthcare, banking, and online shopping. Conversational AI could be used for 24/7 customer service, optimizing your chatbot to boost your sales, training and onboarding your employees, or acting as a bridge between you and your smart home devices. Conversational AI is able to understand emotions and intentions, which makes interactions feel more natural and interesting. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Let's return to the video now. Number 9. Robotics. AI is required for advanced robotics, which is why we have robots like Sophia that can recognize faces and understand gestures and emotions. Sophia even created a NFT art piece that sold for nearly $700,000. But these AI robots are capable of much more. Consider Boston Dynamics' humanoid robot, or look for the dog robot, which can run very fast and even do parkour. There are even industrial and medical robots that use AI to do a variety of tasks. Number 10. Autonomous vehicles. We've all heard about Tesla, but more and more automakers are working on self-driving vehicles. Even Ford and Google rely heavily on artificial intelligence. While artificial intelligence can help prevent accidents and enhance driver safety, there is still work to be done before we have fully autonomous vehicles. The algorithms, according to the Stanford experts, are good, but might be improved. AI software in cars gets information from Google Street View and the car's own cameras. Deep learning models are utilized to make decisions about steering and braking. Number 11. Facial recognition. Many of us use facial recognition to unlock our iPhones on a daily basis. Meta uses facial recognition to suggest who to tag in photos, and Google uses facial recognition to group photos of people you photographed together. So far, everything has been very cute, but it's becoming problematic when they know what you want before you do. Number 12. IoT devices. The IoT, or Internet of Things market, is huge, with a potential value of $1.5 trillion by 2030. Big businesses like Amazon, Oracle, and Microsoft are already reaping massive profits from the use of AI in their IoT applications. AI is enhancing all kinds of devices with smart behaviors, from fitness trackers and smartwatches to remote monitoring systems and asset tracking. Number 13. Legal automation. AI is already assisting lawyers, judges, and many other legal professionals. JP Morgan is even utilizing AI to extract valuable information from internal legal documents. And there are various businesses developing in this area, such as case technicians, law geeks, and Idea River. Lawyers make mistakes. Thus, AI can be used to examine huge volumes of legal data and reduce the likelihood of individuals making mistakes. AI might even help forecast lawsuit outcomes and provide a better risk assessment. Number 14. Cybersecurity. As more and more things go digital, so do the risks. However, AI can keep up with hackers, automatically find risks, and respond better than software-driven or manual operations. AI-based cybersecurity products might be worth $133.8 billion by 2030. AI-powered products include antivirus and anti-malware systems, fraud detection systems, and intrusion detection and prevention systems. Number 15. Space exploration. AI is being used to help find asteroids, find planets, and predict when the sun will release a lot of radiation. AI was used to find 2 new planets outside of our solar system, and scientists are now looking for more. NASA researchers are working with Intel, IBM, and Google to find ways to use artificial intelligence to solve problems in space research. According to the European Space Agency, AI is being trained to avoid debris in space autonomously. Applications of AI in space exploration are frequently so futuristic that they resemble science fiction. And that's all! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.